every one of you here. This is a reflection of greater love for one another. You know, some years ago, I decided I need to go to garden club because I used to take lessons from the Bonnie Buzerberg at the Vermont, the garden, the botanical garden. So I started going 2 years ago, and I was listening at these wonderful lectures. Everybody was so expert in what they would present. I thought to myself, I could never match the knowledge, the know-how that is going on in here. And Susan Schenk asked me, Kevon, what do you want to present? Would you like to present something at the garden club? What would you like to present? I thought to myself, well, I should not even think about adding to the knowledge because they have all the knowledge. But what I could do is share the love, because you know how Baha'u'llah says, we are here for two things, knowing and loving. So the knowing, I thought they are taking care of it. So I want to do the loving. So I said, okay, I want to be talking about roses. And that was before COVID. And then COVID came. And it was in the hall, so I wasn't able to do the talk. And I said, okay, we wait. So we waited, and then Susan came to me and said, okay, now COVID is kind of done. Do you want to do anything? I said, yeah, how about doing it in my garden? Because this is the place of my reflection, of love, of sharing, of planting, of growing. So it's the metaphors of the Baha'i writings, so much is about nature. And the connection of nature and how we read the book of nature in relation to knowing our own spiritual self. So I said, this is the place to do it. And Susan was very encouraging, and they put the notes, and I realized this is not a place for me to show a slideshow because they do these wonderful slideshows. I thought, nah, that's not going to be happy here to do it in the garden. So I made the slideshow and I learned a lot, made it into a video, put it on YouTube and sent Susan the link. So those of you who received the note and the post from the Garden Club and Sustainable Claremont, who are the sponsoring body of this event today, Fragrant Roses celebration, in celebration of the holiday, Baha'i holiday of Ridvan that happened 1863 in Baghdad with a lot of heaps of roses Baha'u'llah gave to be given to the people in the city. So I want to say, okay, this is a program. First we're going to have the Tongan prayer dance. Emilia and Queen Esther was going to be there. They're going to do the dance. After that, and then Eddie will do the music. After that, we're going to have Arsalan, my husband, and Cindy Fogg. They're going to play some classical music together. They practiced it once. And then they're going to be, after that, Iraj Kamalavadi, my dear friend, is going to do some Persian music with percussions, with Tarone right there, who's standing in the shade. So that's going to be your program. After that, we're going to bring some samples of food that is made by different people that always has rose water or roses in it. So you sample, and then we of course have the raffle ticket. Is going to be winning that rose over there, hybrid rose, which smells delightful. And so I don't know, I hope I didn't miss anything. Thank you again for coming. I really appreciate every single one of you.
Paono to lucky numbers are 867.
Someone's gonna be really happy. Their number. 861. Oh, yes. 855.
I was just telling you.
Jam for my
Thank you.